Gotta love Blizzard, man. Gotta love them. You know, you have all these lawsuits going down on you, horrible reputation. I know people personally who won't even use your products at this time because of your predatory practices. And you can't even get the goddamn servers right. Right now it's 8:58 p.m. EST, right? I logged in at probably like, I don't know, 3:30, and they're having server problems, so I made Starfire and Big Man and just messed around a little bit waiting till I could make Kuja my paladin. And I made him just for the bone prison, basically. I mean, look at this. I mean, you didn't think that, like, on the launch of a huge game, extreme nostalgia, that including all the shit that's coming down on your company, that you could get shit running right? Fucking finally? No. Obviously not. You know, it's not necessarily that I can't get in, because I was just in for hours. It's just the fact that you're never prepared. You're never prepared. You weren't prepared all the way back in the days of, like, when Cataclysm came out, World of Warcraft, back when I played that a lot. Everything was overflown. Oh, we're working on it. We're working on it. How many years do you have to spend before you're finally done working on it? That's my question. Before you can finally get something working properly, you know? I mean, I'm not really upset, obviously. I just wanted to rant about it while I wait for it to come on, but